Hello everyone, I'm Professor Taewei Wang. This is a brief review of MIS552, System Analysis and Design. The purpose of System Analysis and Design course is to prepare you to assume a role of business analyst. The main task of business analyst is to gather requirement, managing requirement throughout the life cycle of a software application. You need to have good communication skill and tools that are used for communication. For example, if you recall, we have two assignments about UML modeling. UML is the standard language used for communication in system projects. You had also learned how to be a good project manager for software development project. Software development project is different from many other projects in terms of the rapid change in requirements. The fast-changing nature of software development make the traditional linear project management not very useful. Therefore, you have learned concepts such as agile methodology to accommodate all these big changes in software development. In this course, we have followed the textbook to read all these requirements and methodologies from the beginning of the project to the end of the project. This exam is to refresh your memory about all these quizzes that you have taken in MIS552. To achieve that, go to the MIS552 practice quizzes. I have selected all the quizzes that are most important in these courses. You can take this quiz as many times as you like before you take the exam. Make sure you are familiar with all the concept and terminology used in these quizzes. If you have further questions, refer back to your textbook and contact your professor, including me, to know more about the terminology. Good luck in taking the exam. Have a nice graduation.